Good morning.
Good morning.
It's the day of the elephants. Woohoo!
Up bright and early.
Yeah.
I said bright, I was struggling this morning, but
It's 7 a.m.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see if we can get breakfast. Not sure what time it opens at the hotel. And then we need to go to the offices of Elephant Nature Park and get on a bus there to go and see some elephants. So, yeah, I'm excited. Are you excited?
I am, yes. I can't wait to befriend them. I hope they like me.
I hope they like you too. I'm not sure. Morning at the hotel. So we just looked at breakfast, but I don't think there's like anything vegan on the menu. They're like set menus. There's vegetarian, but like nothing vegan. So we are gonna maybe go to a 7-Eleven or just have a stroll and see if we can find a stand selling fruit. We should have probably thought about this before right now. We're gonna have a stroll. It's a really nice morning. Blue sky. We're traveling in rainy season at the moment, but we've been really lucky so far and there's been no rain. So let's see how long that carries on. This is what we've managed to scavenge. Banana and nuts. So it's a bit of a shame the bananas are in single plastic. One banana per plastic bag. I know obviously we can get fruit from a fruit stand, but I don't know where any of them are. We haven't.
We might pass some, but we've not passed them yet.
I hope so. Imagine being the person who has to fix these telephone wires if they go wrong. Wow. We found it. We are here in the offices and now we're just going to wait until the bus is ready to leave. And then I think we go around and pick up other people from their hotel. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to it. I hope it is actually ethical. That's like the most stressful thing when you're booking one of these, is making sure that you're doing an ethical one.
There's a lot moving parts now, aren't there?
Yeah, I've heard good things about Elephant Nature Park from people who have been, so I think it's... What are you off to do?
I'm going to nip to 7-Eleven to get emergency Red Bulls. I've really not got in the swing of things as yet, so...
It's a bit early for you. For me, this is like a great time to get out for you, but early.
Yeah, for me, a tiny bit early. I don't know, hopefully after the hyper-powered Red Bull, I'll be living.
Richard's back with his special Thailand Red Bull.
Potion, my elixir. It's 8:21 in the morning, so
Yeah,
it's like a
that's
shameful
shameful.
time to be drinking.
That is shameful. This is not a music festival.
Needs must.
It smells medicinal.
It just tastes like Red Bull, actually, just flat. Which is quite nice. I eat it as well, you're just as well as me.
Oh, it's horrible. Is that B12 on it?
I think so, I'm guessing so.
I think it's got B12 in. Good for vegans.
Yeah, so this is actually the reason I'm drinking it.
Very healthy. It's a health drink.
I'm looking after my body.
Writing your insurance details in case you get trampled by an elephant. Not in the mood to joke yet.
I got right numbers. I got to remember when I was born as well. How old am I?
We're off.
Oh man.
Yeah. You're looking a bit more alert, Richard.
Sorry, but yeah, this is the Red Bulls eating.
Our bus has aircon.
That's a blessing.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if tomorrow's does.
Yeah, because so we're going on a bus to Pai tomorrow, and if you've done the journey before, it's not the funnest journey. It's very bendy and quite long, like 3.5, 4 hours. And I'm praying we have aircon, or I will die, and he will throw up.
Yeah, that I will.
We've just got off for like 5 minutes while en route.
Right.
Richard's been sleeping, I've been editing a YouTube vlog, and this is quite a big 7-Eleven. We're just stretching our legs. I might get a drink. Come into the 7-Eleven, let's go. Chicken ice cream.
Well, 9 a.m. ice cream.
9 a.m. Yeah. There's an antibacterial pen. I've never seen one of them before. I don't really know what that means.
Probably love it.
Got to stay healthy, so I've got my doctor drink. What are you drinking?
I'm drinking Chiang Mai flavour green tea.
She's enthusiastic about this.
Loves her green tea.
Is it yummy?
It actually just tastes almost like a regular cup of tea, but it's not like...
My one tastes like light cheese.
Great, do well with that.
Yeah.
Fine choice.
I don't want to cause, drama here, but You know, like on TikTok, where you've got those girls drinking like water and it's like full of sugar and syrup and stuff. That's what this is. This is TikTok water. It is just like sugar water, which is great. I love it, but it's not water really. Yeah, yeah. And your tea is like, I tried it. It's like sugar tea. It's not even sugar tea. It tastes like a biscuit.
96% green tea, and the rest is sugar, fructose, and rice milk.
So you've got TikTok tea. That's what TikTok are going to discover next and call tea. Oh, how cute! Look at these ducks. Make the food, Richard.
Okay. Where do I start?
Smash it.
Well, this is actually quite
It's not.
satisfying. Yeah, I feel like this is revealing dark parts of me.
You got a ladybird. Oh, cute. What are you gonna do?
Just let it come with us on the floor if you fancy.
Let's look at mine and Richard's shoe choices. This is mine. And that's Richard's.
They're going to stay stunned.
Look at this view. Wow. Time for some lunch. Lunch with a view. Aren't you cute? Aren't you very, very cute? You must feel a lot cooler now. Oh, hi. We just learned. Sorry, there's an elephant behind me, which is amazing.
Yeah.
We've just learned about this amazing
There's
plant.
grass as well.
Yeah.
Or leaves. What?
Closes. Oh, hi. Hello. Hi there. How are you? You having a snack? Yum. Who's behind her?
Our friend, the elephant.
My friend.
Where's she at? Oh, God, she's right there. Hello. Pal.
She's having some snacks. And rubbing herself up against trees. Hi. We're saying goodbye to the elephants now. Bye. Never forget her. Aww.
Very sweet.
That was great, isn't it?
That was lovely, yeah.
I think we're going to go see a bit more of the Elephant Nature Park.
Apparently there are also 2,000 cats, and I'm going to
That
count.
frightens me.
I'm going to lose a star for every cat I don't see.
We're now looking at some cats.
We're in Cat Kingdom.
We're in Cat Kingdom, the cat sanctuary.
We didn't necessarily expect to be in Cat Kingdom, but we made it.
Yeah, oh my gosh, it's a lot. Richard, you made a friend. Hi. Oh, you made another friend. I think the cats quite like you.
Yeah, I think
Oh,
she is.
hello.
I know I'm a good person.
You are the queen. Just a normal hedge. This elephant's in her 90s. So elephants eat for 15 hours a day and they sleep no more than 5 hours, because if they sleep longer then apparently the weight of their bodies crushes their organs. So they sleep for 2.5 hours, wake up, get food, and then sleep for another 2.5. We're just watching the elephants live their lives in the sanctuary. Hi. It's an 11-month-old elephant, very cute. Worms are landing on Rich. Worms are landing on Rich. Worms are landing on Rich. And we are leaving now after an amazing long day.
Yeah, it's been a big day, hasn't it? We've got, what, like 9ish?
Yeah. We saw so many elephants and some cats and ducks. My dogs.
That's everything we've ever dreamed of.
It's been so good. Amazing scenery, great lunch as well with a great view.
Yeah, one day out, so the very least. It's been bang, hasn't it?
I can't wait to shower though.
Yeah, I'm positively We're getting out of the hammock, so I feel this is going to be where the content really is.
The flavour of this is, if you were to get, this is Rich's analogy.
It's like if you got one of those like big jug infuser things, just empty the pack of digestives into it and let it sit.
Yeah, it's like a soggy biscuit, but it's also very refreshing. So
I'm gonna drink it.
Why? Does that mean something bad?
That's the game where